Okay, so we're ready now for the ultrasound. There's the baby. Wow, the baby's there.
I was throwing up every day. Yeah, and the doctor. This week no more, doctor. Dr. Neres gave me IV fluids and I need to see her 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Now, heartbeat. Perfect.
57 beats per minute. Heartbeat.
Look, here is the hand. I put it on his
Moving, eh? Yeah. Nakakatawa si baby.
It's very nice.
Oh, thank you so much, doctor.
Fantastic.
Thank you, doctor.
Do the measurement.
Wow, amazing.
So now everything is fine. Liza, you still under medication?
Yeah, no, Dr. Neres asked me to continue, all of them.
So 12, you said 12 plus 0, right? So you are taking the white tablet and
This one,
Progeluton, injection,
No injection.
the patches,
No more patch.
all medicine we will stop. We will keep only the progesta, the suppository,
Okay.
and we will take it once daily for 1 week and then we will stop.
Only Wednesday. Okay,
For
doctor.
1 week and then we will stop. No waiting. Stop everything. Everything, the injection, everything.
Starting tonight, doctor.
Yeah, take today the other and then for 1 week, that means next Monday, no medicine anymore, only the vitamin. Right now.
I haven't had that. I haven't had
Not a morning sickness because still she has.
No more doctor for morning sickness.
This vitamin has some ginger, and you can and this will reduce the morning sickness. But if you're nothing, خلاص we will give them all.
Yeah.
So and then okay guys, now I'm always available if you need something, but now I have to refer you to another doctor because she will do the follow-up.
Okay, doctor.
Tell me guys, we work with directly Marat.
We're planning to
Go there? So I will send you to one doctor there.
Okay,
Doctor, what is her name? I don't have that phone now. I will send you Lara. Dr. Lara. She's very good. Okay? And I will look at you now.
On it.
Or a message, I will send her that you will be with her and to take care for you. Okay?
Still working.
If you need anything, I'm on WhatsApp. Otherwise, you will take care.
So thank you
Okay.
so much.
Most welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Doctor, thank you.
Doctor,
Thank you so much.
I heard about the new class time. When it will
I did it just now.
finish?
Yeah, it's nice. It looks
Oh,
everything
thank
nice.
you
We get
so
the results
much.
after 1 week. Yeah. And we will let you know about everything. We'll prepare the medical report and everything and we'll see.
Doc, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Doc.
Doc, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
see you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Doctor, no blood test today.
Only the photocopy.
So we did the new call already. Okay, that's good.
You do the CBC stuff? Yeah. That's why I was put on iron. Yeah.
Yay! Thanks God.
Yay.
Good job, baby Hope.
Jisha, thank
Good job,
you.
Jisha.
Hey, Cras, take care of cat? I know your husband is taking care. Yeah. I'm going to have him.
Wow, babe. Oh, okay na pala yung nucal. Di, okay na yan.
Oo.
Bye-bye na, baby.